So what is the MID accreditation program and why did we create it? So first of all, MID stands for Mobile Instructional Design. When we talked about the fourth industrial revolution, we said that a lot of new jobs and skills would be created, and MID is an example of one. So mobile instructional design is actually a new capability and a new skill set that never existed before we had mobile learning. So it's a fairly new concept, and one of the things that we found talking to our clients across 22 countries was that people didn't understand how they should design differently for this little device and this kind of screen versus designing for a PC. Given the fact that the format is different, it makes sense that you need to think differently about how you curate and create when you have much smaller real estate in this device. There's also a lot of smartphone functionalities that may not have been at your disposal when you're designing for either a web or PC, or whether you're designing for face-to-face. So the MID accreditation program really aims to teach the design principles of how do you apply instructional design, the science of adult learning, and all of this deep behavior design research into a mobile format. And it's really designed for those who really want to upskill themselves in terms of the next future skill set in MID, or for those who might want to apply that to their own organizations, or even to create a new career as a freelancer, as we see the demand for MID services will grow in the future as more and more people recognize the power of mobile microlearning. Gnowbe is extremely proud and excited to be pioneering this whole new skill set and job category called mobile instructional design. And as we do that, we hope that many people will join us actually in becoming MIDers, otherwise known as Gnobifiers, to actually help to increase the participation and effectiveness of mobile microlearning, because we have the opportunity to upskill billions of people around the world, and we need technology to be able to do that.